Hi everyone, welcome back to the Node.js series. So in last video, we have setting up the environment for the Node.js application. And one step, if you remember, like I have done, I have installed one package which was the express.js, right? Or express server, you can say. I have installed the express server, okay, not it is JS. So before Express Server, there was only one app.js file, right, which is used to run your first program in Node.js application. So when I have installed the Express, there is two files like package-lock.json file is already created, and this package.json file we have created through the npm init-y, right? If you do not know how we can create the package.json file, you can watch my previous videos. So when I install the npm install express, so there is one dependency installed in this file, which is the express 5.2.1. Okay, so this is the one changes added into the package.json, and this package hyphen log.json is exactly created newly, okay, and it is installed the exact version 5.2.1. So if I am pressing here express, and we will see that from where it is installing the express. All right, so yeah, here you can see that it is installing the express 5.2.1, and it also created one folder node underscore modules and created the subfolders related to the express server. So now the one important things come into the picture, like what is the exact difference between the package.json and package-lock.json. So let's discuss this thing in this video. So for this I have created the GitHub page where you can see the differences. So if you have not created any file, either package.log file, JSON file or log file, if these files are not available in your project, so I am explaining you from scratch how you can create. So once you press this command npm init-y, it will create one package.json file for you, and it contains several attributes. Like, let me go to the package.json, and under the package.json you can see that it what it contains. So it generally contains the name of your project, what will be the version and descriptions, and what is the starting point to run your Node.js application. Okay, and these are the scripts, right, that you can run that you can add here to run your application. Like if you want to run your unit test case, you can add here like this test and start for running your Node application. And these are the author, license, and all the dependencies will be installed here. All right, so this was all about the package.json. Let us go again to the Node.js project, Node.js GitHub page. So here you can see that what is a package.json. It is a blueprint which tells you about the project information, script, and dependency, right? Express, Node.js, React, these are some dependencies, right, which we will see in a future videos. So I have installed this npm install express, right? You can use this command to install the express on your computer system. So what it will do, it will update two files. One package.json, it add the dependency under this, and it will create another new file that is a package-log.json file. All right, so it added this particular symbol here. What is it means? So it means it can install 14.18.2 or any compatible newer version. It might be 20 or upper version, not lower version, right? It is the upper cap. Okay, so it is a request like I need 14.8 4.18.2 things, it is a wish list. Like I need this, I need this, I need this. So this is a wish list. If we are getting out of this, this will be the great. So this is the wish list, right? So what is a package.lock.json? So it will install the exact version like 4.18.2. It is not, it is what you are getting, right? And from where it will be installed. So what contains package-lock.json? It stores the exact version, right? It stores sub dependencies. Sometimes, let's say we install a one package, but it contains other dependencies as well, right? So it will install all the dependency for that. Think it is a snapshot of the installing dependency tree. Okay. So the real difference, package.json defines what you want, flexible, upper or exact, right? Editable. Lock, exact installed version. No auto managed. Package.json flexible, define what your project need. We have discussed this. So why both matters? So let's say you have installed Express today, right? That was version the 4.18.0, right? And you have added the cap in your package.json, and in the package-lock.json you have the exact version. But after 2 months in the same project, right, your colleagues or your friend installs the higher version, that is a 4.20.0, right? And in that case, if there is no package.lock.json file, then project will not run due to the conflict of the version, or due to the some feature which is not supported by later or older version of the node.js or particular package. Let's say in our case that is express. So to avoid such kind of scenarios, you always need a package-lock.json. So what is the benefit of it? So whenever any new version comes into the market, so it will also install the same version for all the your colleagues, right? Even it is a higher version. So it is always suggestible whenever you upgrade the new version in a package.json, so always you will need to update the package-lock.json using the npm install. Okay. And I will explain you one real scenario as well. So in a team, right, there are always a 4 to 5 members, right? So let's say you have upgraded the npm version, any version like Express, right, from 4.18.0 to 4.22.0. So there will be one check-in file like package.json. Another check-in file will be the package-lock.json. It will, this file will be update only when you enter the command npm install. Npm install, what does it? Take all the references from the package.json, and based on that, whatever suitable version it put into the package-lock.json file, right? So you will always need to commit both of the file, package.json or package-lock.json, so that it, your application won't break for anyone, because whenever anyone take a pull of your application, so it will be suitable for everyone. There should not be any broken in the application. So that was the real scenario of using both of the files. Why both of the files? So there is a simple analogy, right? Package.json, I want a pizza, right? I'm not explaining which type of pizza, what will be the size, but here is a pizza. And look, it is saying that I got Domino's medium cheese pizza at 2 p.m. It defines the exact things, right, that is required your applications. Okay. So summary: declare the dependencies, look installed version, commit files, do not manually edit. Never manually edit the package-lock.json. Okay. And let, I'm also planning to discuss one thing with here. Let me see if it is there. If it is there, then I will explain. Else, uh, That is not there. I am searching here. I think that's all for this video. We have discussed the differences between package and package-lock.json and why both file are most important for any real-time project. You can also read what I have explained in the same GitHub page. So thanks for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe and comment and click on the notification icon if you such kind of videos. And if you are facing any kind of issues for setting up the environment or any query, please add in the comment section. I will try to reply your question. Thank you.